Hey everybody, I wanted to pop in and just do a couple of quick announcements as we head into this next week of class. At this point, we are done with chapter 1. Woohoo, and I'm sure you're glad to see the end of it. I'm not sure you're going to be so happy to see 2.1, but I will tell you straight up front, and I'm going to repeat this a couple of times. It's in the notes too. The section you're walking into this week, 2.1, is one of the hardest ones we do. This course is really front-loaded with difficult content. And really what happens is as we go through the course of chapter 2, we come up to here. This is really our most challenging stuff in a lot of ways. And then things will start to, you'll get halfway through chapter 3 and go like, whoa, this is great. I love this stuff. So be patient. But please, this week and next, make sure you give yourself enough time to get done all of the different parts and really understand what's in here. If you need help, please reach out. It's really important for you to get the help you need when you need it rather than waiting, because some of these topics that we're going to work on in the next 2 weeks and have been working on keep coming up and keep coming up over and over again. So that being said, a couple of other things. This week you will complete the chapter 1 quiz in my math lab in addition to the work for 2.1. Make sure that you leave yourself enough time to do that. You can try it as many times as you like, but the last time you take it is the grade you get. So like if you run out of time and that's the grade you have, you got to make sure you plan, okay? And every time you take it fresh. So you don't get to just go do the ones you didn't do right, sadly. 2.1 has a couple of extra pieces in it because it's really important that you get the full understanding. I know, trust me, they're there for a reason. We've done this course a bunch of different ways online and in person. It'll help. As you have questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help. You guys are doing a really good job, by and large, of keeping up. If you are not keeping up and you haven't reached out, mostly I'm hearing from you if you get stuck or you have something going on or you get sick. Please reach out. I'm reaching out as I see things are missing and will continue to do so. In the next day or so, I'm going to get all of the stuff graded from last week. So you'll see that start to come in. And that's where we're at. I will sort of look a couple weeks out to just keep in mind that before you get too far down the pike here, we're going to have a test coming up at the end of chapter 2. So just bear in mind that that's going to be in the schedule pretty soon. I think that is all I have to tell you guys. Oh, if you are stuck at some point and we're having tech issues or anything, please just say something. We've had a couple of really interesting versions of what's happening with my math lab. I'm happy to help. I have sat on the chat discussion with my math lab myself recently for quite a long time. So I understand, but sometimes I can get through when you can't, or you can get through when I can't. We all work together on it. All right, so those are the announcements. If you need things, you know what to do. We'll talk again. Have a good week. You will get through this. I have faith in you. I know you can do it.